Hi everyone, we are here at a walking trail, of course, with my guapo love. Hi
What
guapo
does guapo
love.
mean? That's supposed to mean handsome.
Guapo means handsome.
Yep,
We're
guapo's
celebrating our
123rd.
123rd monthsary. So we're here in a walking trail. Our date.
Yep. And you're by the
It's a pretty
small lake.
walking trail here.
Yep.
There's lots of mushrooms here. I don't know if you can eat them, but maybe some you can eat, maybe some you can't.
Chicken of the woods.
Yep. We come up here last time and we pick up raspberries, but there's no raspberries now because it's fall already, so no more raspberries. I think the wild animals have been eating the raspberries.
Yep,
They're
plus they
preparing for
probably
winter. There's a nice lake over there. Little lake.
The deers. Yep.
Yep, guapo.
Yes. Walk. Now it's uphill. I lose 5
We left our
pounds
bike
just going.
because we can't paddle here. It's hard for me to paddle the
It's
bike here.
Too up and down, too
Yeah.
hilly.
Yep.
Long uphills, long downhills. Not smooth enough. You could do it, but
It's a pretty
I went a
walking
long
trail.
ways and it was very high speed and very rough.
Yeah.
But I used the
bikers,
brake.
they like to come up here. They're professional bikers, so they're good
They've
at.
got their own little groove in here,
Yep.
and it looks like they even pull a drag to flatten it down again. The train here. So
This is our little adventure today. Walk. Walking is a good exercise. All right, everybody. I'll see you later. We'll see you later.
see you
Paul
later.
and Copper here. Bye. God
Bye for
bless
now. God bless.
everyone. Peace to all of us.